Hi, welcome to the Let's Design channel. In this video, I will show you how to make this exercise, and its name is shifter. Well, this is the dimension for this part, and then let's make a modeling part now. From the Solidworks interface, let's start sketch from front plane and make it a normal too. Then go to the sketch and click to this circle. For the first one, and I want to set the value to 25 millimeter, and then apply. For the next step, and I want to make a larger one, and the diameter is 40 millimeter. For the next step, click to this line and make it a 4 construction. Zoom out, start from this point, click a smart dimension, and I want to make it 65 millimeter. Let's zoom out. Click to this circle, start from this point, click a smart dimension. Let's change the diameter to 58 millimeter. And then let's make a bigger one. Click smart dimension and set a value to 76 millimeter. For the next step, click to this line click a midpoint line, start from this point and make it until to this point. Right click and click select. For the next step, click trim entities, and I want to remove the unnecessary line. Make sure trim to close is selected and then click. Well, for the next step, click to this toggle and then click to 3-point arch. Apply. Next, press and hold the control button and then click to this line, then select to this sketch and make it tangan. Then okay, let's change the radius, and it is 25 millimeter. Then okay. Press and hold the control button, then click to this line and then click to this circle, make it tangan. Apply, and then I want to remove the unnecessary line. Let's copy by click on mirror entities and then mirror about this for construction line and select this line to be entities. Well, for the next step, let's give the thickness by click of feathers, then extrude wash. I'm sorry. Press and hold the Ctrl 8, click to the sketch, and I want to make a line from this point to this point, and then remove this unnecessary line and then apply. Then let's make a thickness. For the first one, and I want to make 13 value, change the direction 1 to mid plane and then click to this sketch, then apply. And then for the next step, click to this toggle, click to the sketch, extrude wash, set a value to 10 mm, change to mid plane for direction 1, and then apply. Give the same step by click the sketch and click extrude wash, and then set to mid plane and make it 40 mm, and then click to the sketch, then apply. For the next step, click to this right plane and click a sketch. Click to this sketch and make it a normal tool. Click to this line from the sketch, start from this point, click a smart dimension and set a value to 20 mm, then apply. For the next step, click to this circle and I want to make a smaller one, and the diameter value is 12.5 mm. Apply and then click a feather, then extrude wash. Change to isometric view by press and hold the Ctrl 7, and then change to mid plane, click to this sketch and set the value to 60 mm, and then apply. For the next step, click to this toggle and then to sketch, click extrude wash. And then click to mid plane, set a value 90 mm, min 44 mm. You will see the preview like this, and then click apply. Next step, let's give the chamfer by press and hold the Ctrl and then click to this toggle and make it chamfer. Make sure 1.5 mm and then 45 to make the degrees according from the information, and then okay. And then we can give the 1.5 millimeter for radius in this edge by click fillet, set a value 1.5, then okay. Ctrl 7 to make it isometric view. For the next step, and I want to edit appearance. But before that, let's correction for this part. If you want to delete this part, go to the sketch and make it a show, and then click extrude cut. Select the sketch and click extrude cut, and make it a mid blend, and then okay. Well, let's hide the sketch, and then I want to edit the appearance. For the color, I want to make it a blue one, and then okay. Let's change the several curved surface. Press and hold the control button. Before that, right click to this section and delete. Right click and delete. Make sure click to this select face, and then click to the surface. Press and hold the shift button, but that's optional. You can just click to the surface. And then when I want to make it a white color, and then apply. Okay. Yep, the part is done. I hope you like this video and support this channel. If you want to find more information from this channel, you can subscribe and click to playlist to search the same or similar videos. And then